Isaac Newton, one of the most influentialities history, had Eric and complexlife. Here is a brief overview of his life and contributions. Early life, 1642 to 1687. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643. According to the modern calendar in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. His early life was marked by hardship and loss. His father died before he was born, and his mother left him to be raised by his maternal grandmother. Education and scientific beginnings. Newton attended the University of Cambridge, where he studied mathematics and developed a strong interest in natural philosophy, what we now call science. In 1665, during a plague outbreak, he retreated to his family estate in Woolsthorpe, where conducted grundrenting on the nature of light, optics, and mathematics, laws of motion and universal gravitation. In 1687, Newton published his most famous work, Philosophiae Naturae Principia Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. In it, he described his three laws of motion and formulated the law of universal gravitation. These laws laid the foundation for classical mechanics and explained how objects moving interact due to gravitational forces, optics and mathematics. Discovery that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors, and the development of the first practical reflecting telescope, known as the Newtonian telescope. He made a significant branch to mathematics, especially calculus, although was a contentious priority dispute with Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz over its invention, later life and influence. Newton was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705 and became a member of Parliament. He served as the warden and later master of the Royal Mint, responsible for reforming the currency system in England. His laws of motion and universal gravitation remain fundamental in physics and are central to understanding motion of objects in the universe. Isaac Newton passed away on March 31, 1727, in London, England. Isaac Newton's contributions to science, mathematics, and our understanding of the physical world are immeasurable. His work laid the groundwork for modern physics and changed the way perceived the universe and its laws. Isaac Newton child life. Isaac Newton's child and early life were marked by several significant events and circumstances. Birth and parentage. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. His father, also named Isaac Newton, was a prosperous farmer, but he died 3 months before Newton was born. His mother, Hannah Aska Newton, remarried when he was 3 years old, leaving him to be cared for by his maternal grandmother while she moved with her new husband. Early education. Newton attended the King's School in Grantham, England. From the age of 12, he was an average student but showed an early aptitude for creating mechanical devices and gadgets. Isolation and self-study. At the age of 17, Newton was withdrawn from school to work on the family farm, which he did not enjoy. This period of isolation allowed him to devote his time to reading and self-study. He acquired books on mathematics, physics, and other subjects that sparked his interest. Return to education. After a few years, Newton's uncle recognized his potential and persuaded his mother to send him back to school. In 1661, he entered the University of Cambridge's Trinity College, where he studied mathematics, natural philosophy, and optics. Scientific beginnings. During the plague years of 1665 to 1666, the university temporarily closed, and Newton returned to Woolsthorpe. It was during this time that he conducted many of his groundbreaking theorems and made a significant studies mathematics and physics. Legacy. Newton's early life was marked by personal and family challenges, but his extraordinary mental abilities and dedication to self-study laid the foundation for his remarkable contribution to science. His work in mathematics, optics, and physics, including the laws of motion and universal gravitation, would go on to shape the course of science and the understanding of the physical world. Isaac Newton's early life was characterized by adversity, self-motivated learning, and the development of the intellectual tools that would eventually make him one of the most influential scientists in history. Isaac Newton was known for his discipline and focused habits, which contributed to his immense success in the fields of science and mathematics. Some of his notable habits include diligent study. Newton had an insatiable curiosity and a strong work ethic. He devoted countless hours to studying and conducting experiments. His habit of concentrated, deep work allowed him to make groundbreaking journaling. Newton kept meticulous notebooks and journals in which he recorded his thoughts, observations, and experiments. This habit helped him organize his ideas and document his scientific findings. Self-discipline. He was known for his discipline and self-control. He followed a strict daily routine, allocating specific times for study, contemplation, and leisure. Curiosity. Newton was intensely curious, always asking questions and seeking answers. His curiosity was a driving force behind his scientific pursuits. Innovation. He had a habit of thinking creatively and innovatively. This is evident in his work on calculus, optics, and the laws of motion. Independent thing. Newton was not afraid to challenge and think independent. He questioned existing theories and sought to understand the fundamental principles of the natural world. Physical fitness. Newton recognized the importance of physical health. He had a habit of taking regular walks and exercise to maintain his well-being. Prudence and frugality. Newton was financially prudent and frugal. He believed in saving money and managed his financial affairs with care. Tenacity. He demonstrated great tenacity in pursuing his scientific inquiries. He would work tirelessly on solving complex problems until he found a solution. These habits allowed Isaac Newton to make remarkable contributions to science and mathematics and left a lasting legacy in the world of academia and beyond. His commitment to intellectual rigor, curiosity, and hard work serves as an inspiration for aspiring scientists and scholars.